Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about the best way to revenge on your ex. Maybe he or she broke your heart and you want to revenge. I'm answering a question of many people who ask me what to do to their exes, who hurt them, who break their hearts, who use them, who annoy them. And in this video, I'm showing you the best revenge to that ex whom you hate so much. Are you new to my channel? Please subscribe. Click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Listen, the best way to have revenge on your ex is not posting negativity about them on social media. The best way to revenge to your ex is not about sprouting bitterness and hatred. This is not going to help at all. It's not going to help. It's going to just worsen the situation. Now, listen. If you want to revenge to your ex properly, be the best version of yourself. Forgive your ex and forgive yourself. Move on. Forgive yourself for the time wasted. Forgive yourself for the love you gave. Forgive yourself for all the time you put in. Forgive yourself for how stupid you think you were. Just forgive yourself. After doing that, love yourself more. Look good. Feel good. Pamper yourself. And remember, do not cry because they do not deserve your tears. They don't. Do not let yourself go and do not be wasted because of a broken heart. Have dreams of your own. Do not kill and sacrifice your dream because you are nursing a broken heart. Remember, this person is the loser. You are the winner. This person has just lost a treasure like you, a jewel like you, who is irreplaceable. It hurts right now, but in no time you will be okay. Be a better ex, not a bitter ex. The best revenge. Live your life. Do not post for them to see. Actually, you can even block them if you can, if you want. Because you do not want them to think that you are posting for them to see. Ignore them, do your thing, love yourself, look good, feel good, go out, do whatever you feel you want. That is the best revenge to your ex. Be a better version of yourself. And trust me, they will find out. Don't look for them to let them know that you are doing well. They will find out. So I hope I've answered your question. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. And follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82. Instagram is @Nora. Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.